Hello guys, welcome back to the another video of Epic Games. So today I'm gonna show you how to redeem your Fortnite gift card. So before starting this video, please hit the like button and also the subscribe button. It will help us to reach more audience. So after that, you need to open store.epicgames.com, or you can also search epicgames.com. Then you need to log in your Epic Games account inside this website. Then click on the profile icon. Then you can see here redeem Fortnite gift card. Click on that. Then you need to enter the 16-digit code on the backside of your gift card. Then you need to click on the redeem option. So this is how you can easily redeem code inside this website. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. It will help us to reach more audience and help more people. So bye.